Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about additive inverse, subtraction of integers on number line. So let's start from additive inverse of an integer. The negative of any number is the additive inverse of that number. Like the additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. Additive inverse of minus 5 is 5. Okay, while you are finding the additive inverse, just you have to change the sign. If it is positive, you have to convert that to negative. If it is negative, you have to convert that to positive, but the number remain same. One more thing, here the number in the first number it is minus 5 and additive inverse of that is plus 5. If we add these two, we are getting 0 here. So we can say that this show that the number which we add to a number to get 0 is called additive inverse of that number. From this example, we can say that if we add the number with their additive inverse, we get 0. Like here the number is 14 and the additive inverse of that is minus 14. If we add these two, we get 0 as the sum. So we can say that the sum of number with their additive inverse is 0. Now come to some more example. Additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. Additive inverse of 14 is minus 14. Additive inverse of minus 10 is 10. Additive inverse of minus 6 is 6. Now come to subtraction of integer. Here we will use the additive inverse. If we subtract an integer from another integer, then we simply add the additive inverse that integer. Okay, you have to convert that minus sign to plus sign and you have to add the additive inverse of that number. Look at here are some example. In the first one, it is minus 3 minus minus 2. So what to do? You have to keep the first number as there. So you have to write minus 3 and this minus sign you have to change to plus. Okay, and you have to write the additive inverse of another number. Additive inverse of minus 2 is plus 2. After that, you got the step for addition, that is addition of negative integer with positive integer. You have to use that to solve this one. So minus 3 plus 2, it is minus 1. Clear? Now come to one more example. First number is minus 3 minus plus 2. So what to do? You have to keep the first number as there. So it is minus 3. Change this sign to plus. So it become plus. After that, you have to add the additive inverse of another number. Additive inverse of plus 2 is minus 2. Okay. After that, you have to use the step 2 for the addition. Addition of two negative integers, minus 3 and minus 2. You have to add, but the sign is negative. So 3 plus 2, it is 5. And as both number are negative, so it is minus 5. Clear? So you have to remember the rules of addition, that is the sign rule of addition, as you have already discussed in our previous video. So check that one. And you have to convert the second number, okay, to their additive inverse, okay, by converting minus sign to plus sign. That's all. Now move to subtraction of integers on number line. There are four types. First one is subtraction of two positive integers. As you have already discussed all the four types for addition, here we will discuss all that for subtraction. Here is an example. Subtract 2 from 5. Okay, that means 5 minus 2. The solution is to subtract 2 from 5. Here you have to represent this on the number line. So what to do? First you have to move 5 steps to the right of the 0. Okay, in this, here it is 0. Okay, from 0 you have to move 5 steps toward right side, as it is plus number. Next number is, then we move 2 steps back to the left. Okay, as we are subtracting 2 from 5, just opposite of addition. In addition, if the second number is positive, you are moving towards right side, but in subtraction, if the second number is positive, you have to move towards left side. So here it is, we are subtracting 2 from 5. 2 is the positive number, so we have to move towards left. Okay, so you are at 5 and you have to move 2 steps towards left as you are subtracting. So we reached at 3. So we can say that 5 minus 2 is, that is you have to use the additive inverse, that is 5 plus minus 2. Okay, so in this way we are solving the you are drawing the number line, so the result is plus 3. Okay, now come to second one, subtraction of two negative integers. Here is an example. Subtract minus 12 from minus 8. So what to do? Here is the solution. To subtract minus 12 from minus 8, first we have to move 8 step. Okay, that is the first number of step from the 0. As it is negative number, first number is negative, so we have to move towards left side. And you have to do the opposite of addition, that is in second number. As it is minus 12, but we are subtracting, so we have to move towards right side. Okay, from first number. So we have to move 12 step to the right side from minus 8. Clear? Here's the diagram. So in the number line, first step you have to move 8 step towards left side from 0. So you reached at minus 8. From minus 8 you have to jump 12 step towards right side as you are subtracting. Okay, so in this way you have to jump 12 step towards right side to reach the required number. So here we reached at 4. So you can say that the difference of minus 8 minus minus 12, that equal to plus 4. Clear? Now come to next one, that is the subtraction of one negative and one positive integer. First case is to subtract a positive integer from another other number. Subtract 3 from minus 4. The solution is to subtract minus 4 from 3. Okay, what to do? First we reached, okay, we have to move 4 step to the left side of the 0. Okay, we have to move 4 step to the left side of the 0 as it is negative number. Then we have to move 3 step left as you are subtracting a positive integer, so we have to move towards left side, just opposite of addition. Look at here. So you are at minus 4, from which you have to move toward left side. How many steps? It is 3 steps. So you reached at minus 7. Okay, so you can say that minus 4 minus plus 3, it is minus 7. Clear? You can check with the help of addition also. Okay, the step for subtraction also. Next move to subtract a negative integer from other integer. Here is an example. Subtract minus 3 from 4. To subtract minus 3 from 4, what to do? First we have to move 4 step to the right of the 0, then move 3 step more to the right. Okay, as we are subtracting negative integers, so what to do? We have to move towards right side. Okay, look at here. So you are at 4. Okay, you are at 4 and you have to move how many steps? Minus 3 means you have to move towards right side. In subtraction, if it is negative integers, then you have to move towards right side. So here it is 3, so you have to jump 3 steps, so we reached at 7. We can say that 4 minus minus 3, that equal to plus 7. Clear? That's all. So in subtraction of integers on the number line, just you have to stay at first number, and after that you have to jump as many steps as in the second number, just by doing opposite of that one. In addition, if it is positive, we are moving towards right side. If it is negative, we are moving towards left side. But in this, you have to do the opposite of that one. If the number is positive, you have to move towards left side. The number is negative, you have to move towards right side. That's all. Thank you.